I believe that you are here because you just typed in, how can I advertise my business for free? That's actually pretty easy. And also to do it effectively. In most cities, there are several business networking groups. Get into one of those groups. Some of them are free. And, you might need to buy a cup of coffee or buy your breakfast because those meetings are often held at either hotels or at restaurants early in the morning before the working day really starts. So the trick here is to get into the group, be interested in what people are doing and what they have to say. When you are interested in them, they will actually be interested in you. Do not try to sell them something. Nobody wants to be sold, but we all want to buy. So when you are interested in them and you build rapport with people, then over time they will actually turn business to you from their network. Let's say there are 20 or 30 people in the network. Let's say that it's possible for you over time to get maybe half of them as customers, all depending on what your product or service is. That's a very limited amount. But if you have focus on their network, that will be hundreds and thousands of people that you will get access to. So do not expect that you get any value for the first 3 to 6 months. First, after that period of time, you can expect to get some kind of business. Of course, it all depends on what kind of business you have, what kind of products, what kind of service you have.